Adding in expressions, when you have an expression, it means there's no equal sign. So it's just combining like stuff. So it's the same thing we learned in first grade. It has not changed. If you have, I guess now it's more like kindergarten, but if you have 5 monkeys plus 3 monkeys, you get 8 monkeys. Whenever you're adding, the first number you're saying, that's the value of our quantity. So you have 4 of these, 3 of these. And you want to make sure you make it's plural if it's more than 1. So like letter B, how would you read that? Okay, and that's how we normally start. I guarantee you said 4x plus 7x. It's not. It's supposed to be 4x's plus 7x's. We have more than 1x here. There's 4 of them. And there's more than 1x here. It's 7 of them. There's different situations where when you can make it 1x, it makes the problem easier. We say it that way. But when we're talking about adding two things, when you see this little plus sign, you want to think and. And you have 4 of them. This really means x plus x plus x plus x. And then over here we have plus, and let me change the color for the 7 of them. We have 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's little pluses inside there as well. Alright, so if you look at it, we have a total of 11 x's, and that's why we write it this way. So it's not 11x, it's 11 x's. And when you see plus or minus, I want you to always say that. Say what it actually means. You say the first number as the value of them, the number of the second thing that you have. That's the number of whatever you have there. So try this one. Just write the answer and what it should be. Okay, and I guarantee you wrote 5 monkeys. If you're drawing them, then you're still writing this. Plus 2 apples. I can draw an apple quickly. Looks more like a cherry bomb, but still an apple. And so for when you see the next problem, I want you to just read it to me. What does it say? And you should say it's 8, and I'm going to change the color. 8 x's minus 5 x squareds, little s's on the end there, plus 6 x squareds. So, and are any of these the same? And x's are not the same as x squareds. The only ones that are the same are the x squareds with the x squareds. So how many of them do we have? Well, what's minus 5 plus 6? That's 1. So we get 1x squared plus 8 x's. And you don't want to put the s's on there in the answer because that's not proper format. But it's 8 x's, you just say it, plus 1x squared. And that is the answer. So I have a whole page for you to try down here. There are, I really messed up with the numbering there. We go from E, G, F, and then there's an L, and then a 2 and a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6. I'm not changing them, so we'll just leave them alone. So try them for me. Give them all a shot. So hit pause and try them. Okay, and here are the answers. So in letter E, the only common or like term would be the x's. Same with G, and we also have 2 actually. If you read it, it's 1/5 x's plus 2/5 x's. So you can kind of think of it that we have 2 different like terms. We have fifths, which you have to combine because the x's are the same. And then F, we have A's, little and capital. They're both different. And then we have M's and N's, AB's with AB's, X's with X's, and then all the way down to the bottom, Y's with Y's, X's with X squareds with X squareds, and then letter 6 is X's with X's. If you need to check these some more, you can always rewind or hit pause. Thank you.